All right, guys, we got Corey's truck here. It's looks like 03, but it's hot no start. So that's so we're going in for an air test, and then Darian saw this. Let's look at the light. It's getting ready to go bye-bye. You see it?
You can move it.
Yeah, I bet. Look at that. Say bye-bye. Yeah, that's broke the hell down. Is what that is. It ain't even in for that. So that ain't good. All right, guys. Figured I'd show that. We're gonna go through this hot air test real quick. Let's see what happens. Hang on. Oh, battery's dead. 8 pounds, 47, 106, 120. He's got low pressure. No low pressure oil yet. We did take the oil filter out. We already tried it. Okay, hang on. All right, hang on a second. Okay, gotta make sure the flash wasn't on. Let's try this again. IPR is the first number at the bottom. You see, maxed out, 3 pounds, 137, 151, 147. Okay, so that's looking like IPR valve. Still no low pressure oil. Still no low pressure oil. All right, well, let's start first things first, and let's see if we can pump an oil. So hang on. Okay, we don't really need to check it, but well, I guess we can. But hold that up there. Here we go. You ready? All right, so we got low pressure oil. Okay, so we got a tester in there, whether you believe us or not, and it's building 175 is all it's building, so it's doing the same thing. So we just ruled out, I mean, that pretty much ruled out. We put a known good IPR valve in it. So we need to hook the air back up and let the air push for a minute to see what comes out. It was coming a little bit out of the filter. I mean, it very well could be that pump. It's a new pump, I guess, from somewhere. I don't know that it's a Ford one. Hell, even if it is a Ford one, it don't really matter. I mean, sometimes you're going to go through a couple of pumps to get a good one. I mean, even from Ford, but especially from the parts store. I mean, if this is an O'Reilly's pump or something like that, yeah, forget about it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it could be that pump. So right now we're going to hook air to it. I'll make another video if something pops. Hopefully it does, but for now, let's go ahead and upload this. I'm going to show that turbo because it's actually freaking broke. All right, guys, have a good day.